So we have a golden retriever and a Labrador. One is golden I would say golden brown in color, and another is black. And we have been there both around 4 to 5 years of age. One is 5 and the other is about 4.5. But all of a sudden they fell very ill. Both of the dogs had been infected by Babesia, and I would say they were under threat of their life. So there had been an article in the Times of India that there was a person from Belgium who was looking after, let us say, dogs. Both my wife and I were speaking about seeing how we should get in touch with her, and when we went and got the number and their email, and then I sent her a mail, and my wife also sent her a mail, and she responded back in less than 4 hours. Immediately after contacting Juliet, I think she was kind enough to first start with one acupuncture session, and Bheem, who was literally had to be carried through to her place, started walking the same within 6 hours of the acupuncture treatment. First was that he started, I would say, eating something, because he was throwing up whatever was being given to him. And in about 48 hours, he was still very critical. And in fact, I would say credit to Juliet, because with great difficulty, we refused the typical veterinary treatment of giving him a blood transfusion, because obviously the chance of survival there was about 10 to 15%. While Juliet felt that we could take a chance with the medication, both homeopathy and Chinese medicine. And in about 72 hours, he came out of the acute stage. All his acute symptoms went away. He started coming back to what I may call at least a normal life. But both for Nala and Bheem, Juliet recommended a complete different diet regime, which I think we have been fully following. Till that time they used to have whatever we ate plus some dog food, but all of that was stopped. We have now come to a proper mix of meat with vegetables and little starch, and we find that in the last 3 months, touch wood, they have really improved their health. It's now 4 months since the acute stage came, and they have come back to good energy, playing normally, being active. So what I think Juliet has done is brought, if I can say so, holistic healing and also holistic upbringing of the dogs in the right way. I wish actually we had met her when they were much younger, the dogs were much younger. But since they're like our children, I think Juliet has been personally taking care of each aspect of their lives, advising us as to how we should be dealing with them, how we should be looking at their medical care, how we should be looking at their dietary and other activities. She has never shied away from telling us what the reality is going to be. So I would say she has become like a close friend of our family. But most importantly, I think she is a fantastic friend for both of our children, Bheem and Nala.